Okay, once
Today,
again, good afternoon to all the Nepalese participants here and also this region's one and all. Good afternoon and good morning to all the rest of the team. And we are here today celebrating the mountain, International Mountain Day. And as said, this session is dedicated for the mountain potential and the future. But I can see lots have been said and lots been discussed in the first sessions. And I feel that it's actually not the feeling, but we all perceive that the one day is not enough for to discuss the mountain potential and future, of course. I don't want to say quite a lot about just like the mountains for all, including me, are loved for their beauty and revered for the great physical challenge they present to those attempting to scale down. But one aspect of mountain is often overlooked: their powers as a water, food, energy, clean air, and whatever we have been hearing from 2 o'clock this afternoon, I would say. And uh, having said this, we also heard that this mountain, which is the habitat or the tower of the biodiversity, almost half of all the 34 world's biodiversity hotspots, which are here, been devastating with the different natural and other causes. And this year, of course, the livelihood, including the natural, uh, also the livelihoods been causing by the COVID-19, this pandemic, and especially in the countries like us, where the mountaineering and the tourism is the one of the main potential earnings, make the economic failure for the people, and that makes it even harsh. And also the notably risk spread from the zoonotic diseases spreading by the boundaries. And these all are happening due to the pandemic, but still we see that the mountains is a tower of potentials of lots of things, and that there is a future for quite a people living around. Almost more than 8.5 billion people's influence with the mountaineering activities. And so let me share, and I don't want to repeat the more of the resources, what can be done in that year. Because today, the session is mostly we have been dedicating to the young graduate students from the different universities, and we are posing them to hear from the all over the world, great scientists, great mountaineerings, and great we heard also of the sociologists working in this field. So without the delay, I want to start welcome our second session with our prominent key speaker, Jiangshu Zhu. Professor Jiangshu Zhu is currently working at the World Agroforestry Center as a principal scientist and a regional coordinator of East and Central Asia region. He is also a distinguished professor of Kunming Institute of Botany, Chinese Academy of Sciences, distinguished professor at Institute of Annual Science of Chinese Academy of Agricultural Sciences, and also had been the former head of the Water and Hazards at the International Center for Integrating Mountain Development in Kathmandu, and the former director of the Center for Biodiversity and Indigenous Knowledge of the Southwest China. And he has obtained a PhD in soil science from the Chinese Agricultural University. But however, he has a very strong background in the interdisciplinary research. And Dr. Zhu is an internationally respected leading ecologist who works in the couple human environmental system. But however, his current research include the investigation of early warning system. You see, the varied their backgrounds and the varied work experience he had. So without a delay, I think all of us are very impatient to hear from you. The time is here now. Let's welcome Professor Zhang. Another time is yours, Zhang. Please, we're our keynote speaker. Thank you, sir. Let's start.